Anybody wanted to have more lifespan, better to book house plot in Amaravati. That is where I am working now. This is net zero concept, no pollution. All vehicles will be electrical vehicles that too with green energy. We are bringing separate corridor to connect that city. So this is one more city we are building. Second one, there we are having, this is a quantum computer. Indians are very intelligent. Always I am saying this. When I spoke about quantum, nobody knows about it. People are asking me what is quantum. Then I explained. After that, how to get it, I networked. IBM came forward, TCS joined, and also L&T. Three of them I made as a consortium. By December, first quantum computer is going to operate from Andhra Pradesh, that to Amaravati. By doing this, I was not satisfied. Why can't you produce quantum computers in India? Then I called all players. Then I gave a mandate. They decided to produce quantum computers from Amaravati within 2 years' time. Already they built 5 qubits quantum computer in India, first of its kind. The capability our people are having very amazing, according to me. That is how they have done. Second area, Visakhapatnam Economic Region. This is another development hub we are making. There if you see data centers, knowledge economy, pharma, and also rare earth minerals, and also steel, all factory, all industries, we are going in a big way in Visakhapatnam. Even Tirupati, you are all aware, every Hindu wanted to visit Tirupati in lifetime. Sometimes not one time. Even they are all praying their success and they are getting blessing from Lord Balaji. We are going to make Tirupati one of the most important spiritual hub. Anybody wanted to have any marriages or your company wanted to succeed, have one meeting, general body meeting in Tirupati. Then God will bless you. That is going to happen in the near future. I wanted to build one of the best city, that is Tirupati. So with all these things, again I am telling you, we are having very ambitious plans. One family, one entrepreneur. This is the concept we are working. To meet that requirement, we created an ecosystem, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. Hub and spoke model. At headquarters, main center, 5 zones, 5 centers we are creating. Every center I am bringing an ecosystem. One industry, leading industry will lead, and also local best university will be the knowledge partner, venture capital, bankers, everybody we are bringing there. I wanted to promote investment in a big way. That is where I wanted to make one family, one entrepreneur concept in a big way. There is one more suggestion I wanted to give all of you. Long back I had an idea. All my officers should work with AI. CAI should come to government and deputation so that we'll know each other problems and also work together for better nation building. Somehow it didn't materialize. Now I am asking CAI here. I am very happy. Our friend, President and Director General, they agreed to start one global leadership center in Amaravati. I am very happy and thankful to them. India is very strong in leadership. If you see all over the world now, majority CEOs are from Indian origin. Majority intellectuals are from India. Now, we have to promote many more leaders. For that, just like Economic Forum, Davos, we wanted to create leadership forum from Amaravati, from India. That is our aim. I am very confident this forum is going to create excellent leadership. Always leaders, according to me, if going on talking to them, one example I will give you. In 95-96, Andhra Pradesh was agrarian state. At that time, very less entrepreneurs from Andhra Pradesh. Then I wanted to promote entrepreneurs from Andhra Pradesh. I used to go to different countries. Then I asked my entrepreneurs, 10 members, 20 members, prospective. Then I used to take them with their expenditure. Never I spent my money, government money, but they came along with me. Just like this, so many interaction meetings. Local entrepreneurs, CAI, and also our entrepreneurs. I made them the opportunities available in Andhra Pradesh and promote investment. Simultaneously, I asked my entrepreneurs to have MOUs or know each other, network each other for future prospects. I'm telling you, within 5 years, 6 years' time, Andhra was very strong for entrepreneurs. At one stage, national level debate, not entrepreneurs, Andhrapreneurs. That was the dialogue they used to talk. That is how second generation entrepreneurs came from Andhra Pradesh. I am proud of that. Now here, this GLC is going to play a very crucial role. All of you, please participate in that. Every one successful entrepreneur has to promote one more or many more. That is the agenda. We have to work together. Here, one more policy I want to request all of you. It is a social responsibility. God has given for all of us to grow to reach this stage.